Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Thousand Oaks local and long distance movers near me. For 2 decades, 3 Movers have been providing customers with the highest quality service. Our movers can pack up all of your important belongings for you and set them up directly into your new space. We know your time is precious, so we begin every move right on schedule and get it done in no time. Each customer can also get a free quote for our services to ensure complete transparency. The Hollywood Hills are in your rearview mirror, but all of your valuables still need to make it safely through the long trip ahead with a truck that can carry all of your things. Make sure your belongings are protected by using our packing supplies. Our movers are experts in packing things safely, so you can trust that your possessions will arrive in tip-top shape. Let us take care of the entire moving process, and we'll meet you at your destination. It only takes us a few hours to pack your things and move you locally. In just one day, you'll be resting easy instead of fretting over moving. After we handle moving for you, all that you have left to do is pop some bubbles and celebrate in your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Thousand Oaks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.